Hey guys, today we're gonna work on 2016 Chevy Volt p0401 exhaust gas recirculation incorrect. So the most problem is coming from the EGR cooler, which is behind the catalytic converter. So you need to remove that shield and remove the catalytic converter. You need to lift it up and remove these two bolts, and then you can access from the back to the catalytic to the oil to the EGR cooler. So basically what I did as a shortcut, grab the 10 millimeter and remove these two screws, take it off. I already took it off, and take off this sensor right here. This sensor goes right there, okay, like that, goes right there. Let me see, it's too hot. So let me see, it's gonna go like that. Okay, grab the adjustable wrench, take that off, clean it with the brake cleaner. Make sure you clean inside the EGR valve, clean inside the cooler as much as you can. Use the brush or towel, clean it and decarbonize the whole thing. When you do that, put back everything together, reset the code, drive the car. But the tricky point is the car needs to be driven at least 300 miles to complete the cycle in order to pass the inspection. So that's the only tricky point on that one. But this is the common problem, which is gonna be the EGR cooler located behind the catalytic converter. You can clean it if you're lucky, it's gonna go away. But if not, you're gonna end up replacing the whole thing. In my case, I clean it and I'm gonna drive it, see what it does. But just to give you a heads up, that's gonna be the procedure. Either replace that or clean it and decarbonize that. That would be a procedure for fixing the code P0401 on Chevy Volt. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.